Welcome to the last video of the basic welder training. This video is a list of tips to make your use of PANDROL CONNECT even more efficient.
It covers four main ideas: reliability of the data, taking advantage of idle time to fill your report, taking advantage of persistent parameters, and taking advantage of PANDROL CONNECT flexibility. First, let's talk about reliability and how you record your data on site. It is always recommended to fill the report on the worksite, and if possible, during welding. It makes data more reliable. Indeed, for some parameters such as welding gap or tapping time, recording it at the end of the session increase the risk of an oversight. Also, the GPS is acquired during the report, so you should be close to your welding spot when filling the report. Let's be honest, PANDROL CONNECT is a fantastic tool for your supervisors. They do not need any more to type your report on the computer or spend time collecting, scanning, and emailing your report. But what about you welders? You may think that filling your report on the app takes more time. Actually, to be fair, it does not. A few tricks can make you save a lot of time.
One of the tricks is to take advantage of idle time. First, you can start your report off track. Before welding, there is always a lapse of time when welders are waiting. This time can be used to create the welds with smartphone and input location, environment, and even scan consumables batch numbers. The second trick is to take advantage of memorized parameters. Memorized parameters are automatically input on your next weld. The trick is to fill as much as you can on the first weld, before creating the next ones, so you won't have to input them twice. Look at the video for example. You can fill on your first weld the pages welder, location, environment and rail settings. On the next welds, you will just have to modify a bit the mileage or rail side.
The third advice is to take advantage of idle time. For example, during the preheating, you can scan the consumables, input the gap of the weld or prepare the next weld. Thanks to the alarm triggered when the preheating is about to be completed, there is no risk of preheating for too long time. Finally, the last advice is to finish your report off track. If you are a bit in hurry, the visual inspection and finished grinding pages can be completed once welders have left the track. That is of course possible only if all the welds are conform and you don't need to take any pictures.
Congratulations, you have finished the main tutorial. You are now ready to use PANDROL CONNECT on site. But keep checking this channel as some new content is uploaded regularly. And again, any question, just ask us on PANDROL CONNECT at pandrol.com.